This is one of the strangest animals you'll ever see. Called a blue dragon, this brilliantly colored creature is actually a species of small pelagic sea slug. Growing to a maximum of just 1.2 inches in length, these tiny slugs float along ocean currents by swallowing air and holding it in a specialized gas sac in their stomachs. But as pretty as they look, you don't want to go scooping these out of the water. You see, blue dragons are predators of other pelagic creatures, including the deadly Portuguese man-o'-war and other venomous siphonophores. Once they've chowed down on their poisonous prey, they recycle the nematocysts that give the siphonophores their dangerous stings and store them in their finger like serrata. So if you pick one up, you might receive a deadly sting. I guess they do have a little bit of dragon in them after all. If you thought that was weird, take a look at this. These mysterious balls of goo are taxonomically closer to humans than jellyfish. That's because these semi-transparent sea creatures, called salps, are members of an animal group known as sea squirts. They all have a supporting notochord, a bit like a backbone running through them to protect their central nerve cord. Despite their floppy, jelly-like appearance, this crucial attribute makes them some of the closest living relatives to vertebrates. However, if you catch a glimpse of them underwater, you might realize just how different they really are. As you can see, salps form these unbelievable underwater chain colonies as part of their reproductive cycle. They're created when a single solitary salp asexually buds off clones of itself, with each one growing so fast they increase in length by 10% every hour. Different variants can range in size from a few millimeters to almost 4 inches, meaning the chains they form can measure up to 15 feet. These bizarre living jelly ropes can twist and spiral in the water, which is a pretty amazing feat for an animal with no bones. If you love trivia, you'll love our trivia card game, Nuh-uh. The purchase link is in our channel description.